welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am super excited to talk to you about this awesome 5000 mAh wireless battery pack by a company called Yoozer, Y-O-O-Z-E-R. This is an awesome product. It is magnetic, it is MagSafe compatible, it has wireless charging built into it, so it's a battery pack to carry with you for portable charging of your iPhone 12 or 13 through the magnetic MagSafe compatible wireless charging, but also you can use it to charge any wireless Qi compatible devices, and you can use the Type-C port to charge something just through an actual wire by plugging in and charging. So you can do it either way and use it with any device that way. Let's talk about all the great features. First of all, just looking at it, you probably noticed immediately, wow, you can see the insides, and that's just super cool design. You can see the magnetic ring that is used with the iPhone 12 or 13 series for the MagSafe compatibility, and this is very strong magnets. This will stick to the back of your phone, but there's more to it than meets the eye. On the back here, you have this awesome little folding stand. So you fold that down, and now you have a stand, and it works vertically like this and will hold your phone vertically, or you can hold your phone, even put your phone on there horizontally. Again, because of the MagSafe magnets, it'll hold your phone horizontally while it's in this mode, but you can also put your phone on there and have it down like this horizontally in that mode. Really super cool that stand, and when you're not using it, it folds up, doesn't add any bulk at all, and this is so small, easy to fit in your pocket or your purse and take with you wherever you go. So just really cool. Now again, this is Qi Wireless compatible charger, so it's going to charge your iPhone 12 or 13 series at the 7.5 watts, but it'll also charge any wireless Qi charging device up to 10 watts. So you can throw a non-iPhone, any Android phone that has Qi Wireless Charging built in, you can lay this flat and lay it on top of it and it can get charged, or you can use it to charge your AirPods or your earbuds or anything that charges with wireless Qi charging. But again, that's not all, because you've got this Type-C port down on the bottom. Now this is what you use to charge this device. You plug this in and it charges, has a little LED indicator to let you know that it's getting a charge. And you can also then turn this on and charge other devices through this Type-C. So you can plug a Type-C cord into here, and the other end, be that Lightning or USB-C, into your device, your phone or your tablet, to charge it. Again, with the 5000 mAh battery power that's in here. So that's great. This also can be used for pass-through charging. What does that mean? It means that you could be charging a device with this. You could be charging your iPhone and charging the battery pack at the same time. So you are able to do that as well. Again, it's a small little device. Look how small it is and how it fits in your hand. Beautifully designed. Love seeing the magnetic ring and then seeing the Qi Wireless Charging Coil inside of there and all the little components. Just looks really great. Nice fabric folding stand on the back there that just folds right down to give you that stand capability, but also folds flat and doesn't add any bulk to the battery pack at all to make it easily portable. Then having the ability to work with iPhone 12 and 13 through the MagSafe in order to do vertical or horizontal, or just have this stuck to the back of it. However you want to do it, you can do it. And then being able to charge up to 18 watts PD charging through the Type-C port on the bottom. Just really fully covers all your needs for a portable power battery pack to take with you. Again, this is by a company called Yoozer. It is an awesome product. It works great. It charges well. It holds the phone the way you would expect a high quality MagSafe accessory to do. Everything about it is just awesome. If you were looking for a portable battery power pack and you have an iPhone 12 or 13 series that has MagSafe built into it, you got to get this. It is definitely one of the best out there and a product that I would highly recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.